Hi, and welcome to Industrial Surplus. Today we're doing a video demonstration of a 1970 Blanchard vertical spindle rotary surface grinder, model number 20K-36. It's a 20-inch diameter segmented wheel with new wheels on there and a 36-inch diameter magnetic chuck. This machine is equipped with 12 inches of extra column height, so that you can get a maximum distance under the brand new chuck of 24 inches. Table load capacity is 3,000 pounds. The grinding wheel speed is 705 RPMs. And this is a K series base, which means that it would take a conveyor, filtered fabric conveyor to remove the media, but we do not have that portion of the conveyor system, I guess. So pretty much just a wet base as a standard Blanchard would be. Here is the coolant pump and kind of a reservoir for coolant, of course. This here is the table traverse drive motor, little gearbox. Over here we have the head elevation motor. We cleaned the machine extensively. We replaced the lubrication lines, cleaned out the lubricator pump, took the table off, cleaned underneath there. It's ready to go. This is a beautiful machine. We got the wiring diagrams for it. And here's the chuck control box. And that is the table rotation motor. Here's the lubricator, pump style handheld control knobs. So we'll go ahead and start the machine. We'll do a little feed, automatic down feed. Down feed rate is from 4/1000ths of an inch to 80,000 inches per minute with a 0 dead stop, which is adjustable. So go ahead and start it. It's yeah. Okay, we'll start the grinding wheel. Yeah. Start the chuck. Well, we're undersized in power. We have low amps and low voltage. We're 200 volts, and evidently on this machine here, it's a 30 horsepower motor with a spindle, and we have trouble running everything simultaneously.
That's full speed, 27 RPM.
Okay. This will down feed automatically till it gets to a 0 point set at that little knob on the moving wheel. It's equipped with a wheel dresser. Coolant goes in here. Table speeds are 5, 7, 10, 15, 20, and 27 RPMs. And it'll stop right about here. And the machine will spark out. So if we stop the table, and let's start the spindle again, because we like to hear the spindle, of course. Oh, you didn't go through different speeds, huh?
No, not yet.
Oh, sorry. Why don't you put that block of steel on the table somewhere, and we'll see how it holds.
Oh, lights all work.
All right, because we can't run both things simultaneously, we'll let's stop the wheel again. I'm sorry, I shouldn't have had it started, but and that's a spindle brake, which is nice.
It is,
yeah.
and I don't want to overdo
Most of the
it.
older Blanchards aren't equipped with that. So we'll I forgot to do the different speed ranges in this
Sure, no
table, so
problem.
we'll get that out of the way.
That's 20 RPM. That's 15 RPM. That's 10 RPM. That's 7 RPM. RPM.
All right, I guess that's it about the machine. As you know, Blanchards, they're, oh yeah, bring that all the way in.
Water guards are pretty much intact.
Yeah. We did have, excuse me, the table saddle off, cleaned all underneath there. We made sure that the lubrication was working everywhere. We replaced all the lines again. And the machine, like I say, is ready to go. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. And we'll be happy to help you. Thank you.